Installing a processor and heatsink. Make sure the handle on the carrier is in the closed position. Align the processor on the new carrier so that the triangular marks align, and then insert the marked end of the processor into the carrier. Hold the inserted end of the processor in place, and then push the unmarked end of the carrier down and away from the processor. Press the processor and secure the sides under the clips on the carrier. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should contain about 0.1 milliliter of thermal grease. Align the triangular mark on the heatsink label with the triangular mark on the processor carrier and processor. Install the heatsink onto the processor carrier. Press the carrier into place until the clips at all 4 corners engage. Install the processor heatsink module on the processor board. Push the anti-tilt wire bales outward until they engage with the hooks in the socket. Fully fasten the Torx T30 nuts in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Fasten the screws until they stop, and then visually inspect to make sure that there is no gap between the screw shoulder beneath the heatsink and the processor socket. Install the top cover.